And by the way guys, this is the washing machine that we just brought using our YouTube revenue. If you are looking for one of the best budget water heater, and this is the one you can buy. This is Intex Immersion water heater, and it's cost about 519 rupees, so it's kind of budget friendly and also user friendly. So I just bought this from Flipkart. I will be adding the link in the description below. Anyway, this is the package, and we get a Flipkart package also. And this is, it says Intex IR 200, and it says 2-year warranty from the company, and it says also shock proof. So it is very important for a water heater because we are immersing it on a bucket of water, so it should be shock proof. And so that's it. And it says 2000 watts. I'm not sure about the capacity or the wattage. It says 2000 watts anyway. And the MRP is, of course, and this MRP is 799 rupees, and we just bought for 500 rupees, so kind of interesting. And it says copper element plug 16 so it needs a good kind of what is a switchboard or a good kind of socket. Should not use any local kind of socket. It's a kind of very heavy duty electronic device, so it should be connected to a good secure switchboard. And fast heating, kind of very fast. It says made in India. And of course we know this Intex is a Chinese brand also. And anyway, now let's the bottom, nothing. And this is a product, and long lasting heating element, safe and secure, energy efficient, 100 watts, come on, and shock proof. And it's also ISI claimed. And this is instruction for usage, so please read before using this product. And also they have given a pictorial representation. This is wrong and this is wrong, and this is how it should be immersed. So should not immerse it completely, but partially. So you should use the hook inside it. So I have already unboxed this. Let me just show you. And yes, here we go. And interestingly, I thought it was almost this only, so kind of small I thought, but this is kind of big. And this is the warranty paper, 2-year warranty. So if you are buying this online, so you should have to register in their official site, I think so. You have to upload the invoice. This is how you get the warranty for the online products, I think so. Anyway, okay, at the Flipkart site, it looked like almost this size only, but in hand, it looks this much big. Anyway, pretty good in my opinion. Initially, pretty impressed by the quality. Also, the plastic quality is pretty nice in my opinion. And they also give a hook, and this hook is not shown in the Flipkart. So we may misunderstood that this does not have any hook, but still there is a hook. You can use it on your bucket or whatever it is. Says Index, and here is some also mentioning electric immersion heater. And also says 2000 watts. I think it's almost 2000 watts. Anyway, and this is the coil that runs over here. And now let's check the AC cable quality, because it's very important for an water heater, because this is a very high power consuming product, right? So quality should be at the top notch. It should not be local material. Okay, let me just remove this one. Yes, of course, for a water heater this code is nice, and says it's also ISO certified. Okay, I think it is pretty good in my opinion. And also this plastic quality also looks good, the rubber and kind of plastic. Anyway, pretty impressed by the initial look and quality of this Intex Immersion heater. Anyway, we have to check the quality. So guys, that's it, the unboxing. Now we have to check the performance, how it is heating the water, how much time it takes to heat the water. Anyway, let's check this. So here we have the heater, and by the way guys, this is the washing machine that we just brought using our YouTube revenue. And thank you all subscribers and all my viewers for giving this much support. And we have just connected the cord, and this is how we will hang. I think this is not enough because it kind of heavy in my hand, so I think this is not enough to hang this heater. Anyway, we have to check the performance and how much time it will take. So we will dip this heater using this one, using the hook. So let's turn it on. Before that, we have to check whether there is any shock issue with this one. So we will put a timer and we will check how much time it will take to heat up the water. Okay, let's turn on. Yes, and let's check any issue there. No, this is kind of safe. And let's check how much time it will take. And it's almost 1 minute, and let's check. Not yet. And guys, almost 5 minutes 30 seconds, and yes, the water is completely heated, and now it's time to turn off. Okay, that's it. About 5 minutes 39 seconds, that is almost 5 minutes is required to heat up a bucket of water. It's not full, but still about 5 to 6 minutes is required to fill the to heat up the bucket of water by using this Intex water heater. So guys, thus we are coming to the end of this video, the review, unboxing and review of Intex immersed water heater. Pretty good in my opinion, the quality, the safety, and that's it. So that's a good purchase from Flipkart. Do check it out if you are going to buy a immersed water heater in budget range. This one is good one, and that's it. So thus ending this video. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because videos like this are going to be uploaded in our channel, already uploaded. So thanks for watching.